What's going on, guys? Here I have a 2014 Honda Odyssey, and basically all the interior illumination lights are out all around the AC cluster here, as well as on underneath the second screen here. As you can see, I've got my headlights set to on, and you can definitely tell these are out. And basically this is a blown fuse, really easy to fix. Another way to determine if yours is just a fuse problem, hit these lights and see if these turn on. Those lights do turn on, but the backlights basically are not turning on for any of the buttons as well as any of these in the car. So again, fuse located in the passenger side, number 25. I'm going to show you how to change that fuse. So go ahead and turn the car off. You got to pop the engine and go ahead and pop the hood. And this is the engine fuse box for the passenger side. This is for the driver's side. They aren't these fuses. However, if you open this up, these are where your spare fuses are located. So you can see we have, these are brand new spare fuses, as well as a fuse puller. And where the actual fuse is located in the passenger side, right here at the bottom. This is where our fuses are located. Pop this bad boy up. You'll notice fuse number 25 is illumination interior. We're going to grab that fuse puller and pull it right out. All right, so looking at the fuse box here, you can see there's little numbers here. You can see this one here, 7.5. It's kind of hard to tell, but that is fuse number 25. Grab our fuse puller, pull it, push it in there, pull the fuse out. And in the center of the fuse, the metal is supposed to be continuous, and it is not in fact continuous, it is broken. So all we would do now is grab that spare fuse, and once you use these, you do want to go buy some new ones, just in case you're on vacation, you need to change a fuse. You don't want to be out of these fuses. Go ahead and pop that into number 25. You can see I've reinstalled number 25 with a brand new one. And now, here's where the magic happens. We go ahead and turn the car on. And headlights are on. All right, so now you can't really tell on camera, but the lights are definitely on now. It's kind of hard to make out, but they're definitely on. If you guys found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. It really motivates me to make these videos. Check out the links down below where you can buy fuses as well as an additional fuse puller. And let me know what you guys think, if this solved your problem or not. If you have any questions, again, leave them down below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.